Hi. Phil from Patties. I'm just leading on from Aaron. The power quality that we did on site has actually saved us a fairly substantial money. So, a bit of overview of the business. So, it's been around since 1976, roughly around 400 employees. The capacity around 46,000 tonne per year, and we've got main brands 4 and 20, Patties, Herbert Adams and Boscastle, and more to come, I believe, in the future. A bit more of the same as the first one. Just the one big thing is that we are the largest manufacturer in Australia for savoury, and the fastest paced bakery for savoury in the world. We produce about 1 million kilos a week. Over 6 weeks, operate 24/7, but production runs around 6 days a week. So, energy usage. Electric usage is 20,000 megawatts per year, around roughly $4 million. And emissions around 17,000 TCO2 per year. Prior to me starting, ASO had done a site study and realised there was issues with the harmonics on site. Using the portable meter is what they set up around the site, and then partnering with Schneider and ASO and GPS Electrical is that we started on the power quality journey. So we've installed 10 harmonic filters and 7 VSDs, and harmonics has come over the years. The fact is that the plant's evolved over the years. It started out as a very small bakery, and as things progressed, they've added more VSDs on different lines, added LEDs in the area, which has created all these harmonics. So we were actually getting a lot of brownouts. So roughly, we had a total of 82 events over 12 months, which equates to 148 hours. And that's roughly nearly over a full week's production of downtime, which is fairly high cost in production. So you can imagine 4 lines, 400 people, a total of, I think it was around, it's about nearly 7 days total production for all 4 lines lost, which is very high. So since installing installing the filters and VSDs and doing various PLC upgrades around the site, we actually haven't had one internal brownout to date still. So this was done for another presentation before, which was dating back until September, but still to this date there's been no internal brownouts at all. We have had brownouts, but they're in external due to storms and a bird strike and some other things apparently. But yes, so it is imperative to have those filters on site. It's what it's done for the business and even in lost production, and plus we've got a 9% energy saving just by turning the filters on. If I turn them off, you can see the plant actually nearly shuts down again. Probably to date, we've probably got about, estimate around $700,000 saving electricity and in actual brownouts and having scrap. Because if you have a brownout, the plant shuts down and it can take anything up to 18 hours to recover. So it's for what ASO have done and GPS and other people involved, it's for the site, it's been very, very good. So in a nutshell, that is the actual architecture for the harmonics. So it's using Schneider meters, Ion 9000 and 8000s, and you can see the VSDs and the harmonic filters across the bottom. And the next thing to come is UPS. So UPS, and then this leads into for our future. So we want us to implement solar, and without doing this, we couldn't do solar. So solar is our next project. So we're probably looking at 3 to 4 megawatt solar site in the near future. That is it. Thank you.